I'm going to be showing you how to create assessment in Google Forms. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. Just go ahead and open your form app or go to the website. It's completely up to you. If you're trying to create an assessment report through Google Forms, then what you need to do is just look at the bottom where you can have options like actions, files, favorites, and settings. Just go ahead and tap on actions. Now you can see multiple options here in templates. You have job applications, event registrations, RSVP, order form, and at the end right here you have assessment. Just go ahead and tap on assessment and you have the template for an assessment report. Just write down a description as it suits you. Write down the name of your question, write down the description, write down whether you want it to be a short answer or you want it to be in paragraph. You have the email, your first questions, the quiz questions right here. Write down the description, the title. Since the template is already available for you, what you need to do is just fill in the blanks. And after you've done that, just look at the top right where you can see this three-dot button and you can choose to either save the form, publish the form, save it as a PDF, or share them. So it's completely up to you what you want to do. So in this way, you can successfully create an assessment report with Google Forms. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.